What's up, guys? Welcome to Glory Investing Show. Today's topic is going to be a little bit different. Due to the world pandemic and everything that's been going on with the economy, a lot of people are looking for additional sources of income. In this video, we will take a look at some ways you can earn money without leaving the comfort of your home. Some of the ways are dropshipping, selling online courses, starting a YouTube channel, and starting an ATM business. Of course, I am just joking, guys. Nothing that I mentioned before is a side hustle. All these things take a lot of time and money to start them, especially if you want to do any type of e-commerce or selling online courses. If you are not making a product that can help people solve a problem or teach them some kind of a new skill, these are the things you should stay away from.
Fan love, I got something to tell you.
But don't let that discourage you. We found some side hustles that anybody can do, and you need only your computer, laptop, or tablet. This first job is a little bit unusual. Attorneys preparing for trial often create a mock jury to obtain feedback from actual people. It would probably cost them an arm and a leg to have an in-person mock jury. Cheaper online jurors are the logical alternative. And you know why you can do that?
You smart.
They might listen to audio and view video presentations or read the material and answer questions. Companies typically pay between $10 and $60 to online jurors. As most online jury companies won't need a lot of jurors, signing up for multiple companies gives you a better chance of getting picked for jury duty. So, watch until the end of the video and smash that like button, and we will help you apply for your first jury duty gig. However, keep in mind that you will need to fill out an extensive questionnaire. You will also need to meet certain qualifications which vary among counties. The idea behind a mock jury is actually nothing new. It is a method that lawyers and other legal experts have used to brush up on their cases. During all these current restrictions, this practice just became more popular. Getting assigned a case is relatively rare, but you can sign up for as many of these sites as you wish to boost your chances of getting a case. Also, your chances of getting on a jury is higher if you're a guy. Why? It's not a discrimination thing. Their signups are running 4-to-1 female, so they need more male jurors. The jury would, of course, make up the same demographic as would be expected in a real trial. The jury members then answer specific questions as well as give their verdict. The aim of all of this is for the lawyers and other legal experts to see their weaknesses and get a good idea of what to expect in a real-world trial. I spent a lot of time researching for reviews of these websites, and we got to these 3 websites that are 99% legit. eJury is the brainchild of Christopher L. Bagby, who is a trial attorney, so its credibility can be authenticated. The way it works is an attorney or other legal expert posts case details for the reason of getting feedback. The site matches the case with 50 local mock jurors who then review the details and give their opinion. Pay varies between $5 and $10. Online verdict attorneys post their case details and the website matches the attorneys with local mock jurors. This website uses a panel of 25 or 50 jurors, depending on the case details. Online verdict is endorsed by Clark Howard of The Clark Howard Show, so its legitimacy is not in question. And the last one is called jurytest.net. As always, simply sign up on the jurytest.com website and you will be notified once you're eligible to take part in a mock jury. People living in larger cities have a better chance at getting a case. There isn't much in the way of requirements except that you must be a citizen of the United States. All these websites typically pay you after you're done with providing your services, and it is typically paid using some third party like PayPal. I would like to know if anybody here has ever been in a real jury. Let me know in the comments below. Jury lists are compiled from voter registrations and driver's licenses or ID renewals. From those lists, summonses are mailed. A panel of jurors is then assigned to a courtroom. The prospective jurors are randomly selected to sit in the jury box. You have to use the adult population as your baseline because you have to be at least 18 to serve on a US jury. We have to mention that if you're going to try some of these online jobs, please do your research about the company. Thanks for watching this video. Please smash that subscribe button.
I appreciate you.
And we will see you soon, guys.